Here's how to limit your iPhone to one app using guided access with advanced customization settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Accessibility. Scroll to the last section under General and tap on the Guided Access option. Turn on the toggle. Here it pops up. Triple-click with Emergency SOS is already being used, so I'm continuing with triple-click for guided access. Later on, you can also use Emergency SOS by pressing and holding the side button and either volume button. First, adjust the passcode settings by setting a passcode for guided access or using Face ID to start and end the session. Make sure Face ID is already set up on your iPhone. Next are the time limits. You can set a sound or keep the default. The alternate option is the Speak toggle, which will speak the remaining guided access time before it ends. You'll see the Accessibility shortcut option on the screen when guided access is turned on. This option isn't important right now, so I'm skipping it. The last setting is Auto Lock. Your display will lock automatically based on the Auto Lock setting in display and brightness. The next step is how to use guided access with the Child Lock feature. First, open the app you want to keep on the screen and lock all the other apps. Then, triple-click the side button to start guided access. As you can see, the guided access started confirmation message will appear. Now, the app is locked on the screen. Your kids can't turn it off or change it, they can't make accidental calls, and they can't open another app without your permission. You can customize the app by disabling specific areas of the screen, the side button, the volume buttons, motion, keyboard access, and touch input, and by setting a time limit that will automatically lock the iPhone. Again, triple-click the side button to edit guided access. Circle the area on the screen to disable that section. For example, suppose I want to disable button tabs or the upload video option. That's it. Resume the session and start using the restrictions on the screen. Or, if you want to make more advanced settings, tap on Session Settings at the bottom. Turn off the toggle for the side button to block access to it. Next is Volume Button Control. Disable the toggle to block access during guided access. Next, select the Motion option and the software keyboard. To block touch access on the screen during guided access, turn off the touch toggle. And the last option is a time limit. Turn on the time limit toggle. Set the duration to end guided access automatically. Done! After the time expires, your iPhone will show a screen saying a time limit has been set for guided access. Triple-click to enter the guided access passcode. Tap on Resume to start using guided access for kids. To end guided access, triple-click the side button and turn off guided access anytime, even if your iPhone is locked. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like this video to support me, subscribe for new video updates, and thanks for watching.